Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well sitting at home. I'm Nikita. So I just thought that today I'm going to surprise my parents by making something really simple with leftover rice and mangoes. And I hope they like it. I'm not going to do this alone. I'm going to drag my brother who's chilling in his room very peacefully with me to the kitchen and do this with him. For mango rice, we need pour in some refined oil.
अरे उतने ही put to that much only that is needed.
Sure. You're very conscious, huh? You had what, 5 avocados in the morning?
But with less oil.
Sure. Next up, we have the 2 dals that we're going to put in the oil first. So I'm going to put some chana dal, 2 teaspoons of chana dal, 1 of urad. So remember now.
Yes.
Next, we have some red chilies. And then I wash these curry leaves before cooking them because, well, we are in some tough times. Curry leaves are done. Now we're adding some hing. Next up, we have the paste that I've already prepared before in the mixie. The paste that I've prepared includes half cup of grated kacha aam, half cup fresh grated coconut, 1 green chili and mustard seeds. Next, we add a little bit of haldi. And last, but the most important ingredient, which is namak.
Swad answer.
Swad anusar. Very, very important. And I think this is just about right. See, to add to the mixture. Looks nice, no?
Pretty nice.
Yep. So we're going to add this to the mixture. Now I have the leftover rice. I'm simply going to mix this tadka into the rice. I have to be very careful with the bowl. My mom's going to kill me otherwise. So the mango rice to me looks ready, right? Looks
Yeah.
nice. And because I love you, I also have roasted more cashews and peanuts
Good,
for
good.
garnishing purposes.
I like that.
Of course you will. And so we have the mango rice dish ready. If I can make this at home, anybody can. You saw how simple the recipe was. Remember the extra cashews and peanuts that I put in? Because I know you like them.
This is pretty good, yeah?
Seriously.
Very nice. Actually, it sounds really well.
So mango and rice can go together.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Okay, I take my words back. Yeah,
Yes, it's
they can go together.
Yeah? Mom, dad like it?
Obviously.
You like it?
It's yummy.
Next time you make it.
No, ये तो मैं भी बना लूँगा.
Of course, पहले gas on करना सीख ले. Yeah.
Whatever, but still. But it's really nice. Come out really well. You should definitely try this. It's really nice.
Yes, success. Thank you.